What are you doing in this video? I'm going to show you how to get unlimited stuff in Legend of Mushroom, no jailbreak on iPhone and Android. So keep watching the video, guys, and I'm going to show you exactly to do it. If you like to play the game Legend of Mushroom, guys, you are going to want to try this out because it is so cool and you can unlock all the resources as you can see. So let's get straight into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Guys, so as you can see in the Legend of Mushroom, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys how to get rich in this game using a modded version. So the first step is going to this site called Hex Mods, and we're just going to type in Legend of Mushroom, and as you can see it comes up. So just press on it, press this button, and this will generate your promo code. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe. So it will download the mod right away. So yeah, peace out, guys. This is super cool. And if we go to the App Store and type in Legend of Mushroom, you guys can see it is super expensive. So let me just do that right here. And as you can see, here's the game. Then we go to in-app purchases, and you can see it's super expensive. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to try this out. It's super cool, and it's a totally working tutorial for you guys. So, I mean, I've looked into some other methods and stuff, but this is the real deal. So yeah, try it out for yourself, guys, because it's super insane and this totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it, guys, because I'm trying to make a Legend of Mushroom tutorials every day of the week, guys, just to educate you about how this works. So this is super insane and totally updated for all devices. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, and get the word out, because this is so awesome, bro. I love Legend of Mushroom Hack for all devices. So yeah, I mean, just get the word out basically and try it out. Let all your friends know and stuff like that. Because I mean, the more people that know about this, the more people are going to try it. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool. And it totally works and everything. So yeah, peace out, guys. This is so fun to use, bro.